Now what you may have noticed in your navigation pane towards the bottom is a folder called Search Folders. Now if you can't see the folder called Search Folders, towards the very bottom of your navigation pane, ensure that you're in the Folders List view by clicking Folders List. Now what search folders are they are virtual folders. Unlike physical folders that we've created, for example, under our inbox we've created physical folders for storing information into separate locations. I'll just collapse that. Whereas search folders are not physical folders, they're virtual folders, and they will find or search out all the emails that meet a certain condition and show you them in one folder. If I hit the triangle in front of search folders, you can see there are a number of search folders. For example, the one with attachments gives me a view where I can view all the emails that have attachments in Outlook in one virtual folder. Unread mail is all the emails that I have in my Outlook in one folder. I can view all the unread emails. And the same with follow-up, for example. Instead of going to each physical folder and finding emails that have been marked for follow-up, I can click the search folder and see all the emails, irrespective of where they're stored, what folder, that have been flagged for follow-up in one virtual folder. And it continues. What I'd like to do is create a search folder. Now I could right-click search folders and create a new search folder, or I could go to the Folders tab in the ribbon, and instead of creating a new physical folder, we'll create a new search folder. So I'm going to click this option here. What we can then do is choose a particular option, and I'm scrolling right to the bottom because I want to create a custom search folder. And I'm going to click the Choose button. What I can do now is give this virtual folder, this search folder, a name, and a request that I had recently from a client was they wanted one view that showed them all the emails in their inbox and all the emails in their sent items in one view so that they could sort those emails and see the toing and froing of emails in one location. And we don't want to physically move emails because that'll create a mess, so we create a search folder. So I'm going to give it the name View All Emails in One View from Inbox and Sent Items. And I can make this a bit smaller actually. View emails in one view from Inbox and Sent Items. Okay. I could specify a criteria, but this particular search folder doesn't have a criteria as such. I'm just viewing all the emails in the inbox and the sent items in one location, but you could add your own criteria if you wanted to. So I'm just going to go cancel. What I would like to do is click the Browse button and say, look, I don't want to browse the entire Outlook. I just want to see items in the inbox and items in the sent items. So I'll tick these two folders here. And I'll click OK. And if I click OK again, and yes, I do want to continue, and OK again, I should have this new view here called View Emails in One View from the Inbox and Sent Items. And so now I can see in one location all emails regarding the inbox and the sent items all in one place. And I can go about sorting those emails simply by from or subject or received. And one thing I particularly dislike is how you sometimes get this grouping that goes on. So what I do here is I go to the View tab in the ribbon and I hit the drop down here on Arrangement and I take off Show in Groups so that I just get a list that I can easily sort by received or by from, and it's showing me information from all the various folders in one view. So search folders are quite good. If I go back to the Folders tab in the ribbon, I can customize a search folder, I can rename a search folder, I can mark all the items in that search folder as read, I could delete all the items in that search folder because they match a certain criteria and I want to get rid of them, or I can even delete the folder. So as far as managing your search folder, or any folder for that matter, you can use the Folders tab in the ribbon.